The indoor temperature is adjusted by changing the heat pump's heat curve. The heat curve calculates the supply temperature depending on the outdoor temperature. A properly tuned heat curve minimizes maintenance and provides an energy-efficient operation. Press the right arrow key once to go to the information menu. Scroll down using the minus key to the menu selection Heat Curve. Press the right arrow key once to open the menu Heat Curve. Press once again on the right arrow key to see what the curve looks like. The curve can now be adjusted by the plus or minus keys, and notice how it changes the slope of the curve. When the desired value of the heat curve is set, return to the start screen by pressing the left arrow key 3 times. The curve value indicates the desired supply temperature to the heating system when the outdoor temperature is 0 degrees.